Transform your website into a lead-generating powerhouse using engaging chatbots. The future of marketing starts now. With Outgrow's Chatbot Builder, your business can be available to visitors around the clock. That's right, 24/7 support. Imagine your sales and customer service teams focusing on complex issues while chatbots handle the simple queries. Chatbots not only engage users, but they also capture lead information for your team with ease. Ask insightful follow-up questions to qualify visitors better and help your team close deals faster. Delve into your chatbot data to segment and analyze visitor insights. Discover key patterns by demographics and responses. Integrate your chatbots seamlessly with over 1,000 other tools. Elevate your marketing, sales, and service efforts drastically. Why should you consider chatbots? Communication becomes seamless and fun while enhancing user experience. The demand for quick, easy solutions fuels the rapid rise of chatbots across many industries. Explore best practices that can catapult your chatbots to success. Optimize your chat engagement today. Uncover captivating examples of chatbots that not only attract attention but also convert visitors to leads. Engagement through quizzes and calculators can lead your visitors to become loyal customers. Connect with your audience meaningfully. Easily create feedback chatbots that gather invaluable insights from your users in real time. Outgrow helps ensure your lead quality increases with its powerful, interactive content capabilities. Creating quizzes and personalized calculators has never been easier or more fun. Experience instant engagement with Outgrow. Quizzes like the fun Facebook ones we loved can now generate top-quality leads. Discover the possibilities. Outgrow's user-friendly platform is designed for both beginners and advanced users, making it a versatile choice. With lightning-fast support, your questions are resolved within minutes, no waiting for weeks for fixes. Marketers who use chatbots see vastly improved conversion rates, turning curious visitors into loyal clients. Take charge of your marketing strategy and explore chatbots today with Outgrow. Their potential is limitless.